This right here, this is what you need. Okay, okay.
Too classy for this world. Forever I'm that girl. The two diamonds in purple, baby. I'm too classy to be touched.
Hey friends, and welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Lala Renee, and today I will be doing a Fenty hair review. Do y'all remember that I told y'all I went to the Fenty party when I was in Phoenix for WNBA All-Star? Well, they sent me a PR package. I'm so glad that I got connected to the PR team when I was there, and I'm grateful to get my hands on these products. Like, I am so excited to be trying these out, and it is so overdue. I know, like I said before, it's better late than never. This package was literally waiting for me before I even got home from All-Star. Like, they were on it. I got home and the package was already there waiting on me. Get into it. When I first opened the package, like, granted the packaging, I did not know it was a Fenty package. And as soon as I opened it, I was like, ah! I was seeing a whole bunch of curly creators get their PR box, and I was like, dang, I need that. And it was just God's timing. I got it when I was supposed to get it. I'm so excited to give y'all my honest thoughts and my honest reviews. I know it is significantly smaller than what y'all have been seeing other creators have. I'm just really grateful that Fenty even sent me this package. Like, I love trying out new products, as you guys know, so I'm very thrilled to have my hands on this, and I'm gonna show you what's in this box. Let's get into it. I'm gonna show y'all all the products that I got. Okay, I got the Rich One Moisture Repair Shampoo, the Rich One Moisture Repair Conditioner, the Richer One, the Moisture Repair Deep Conditioner, the Home Curl Defining Cream, which I'm really excited to try, the Comeback Kid, which is an instant damage repair treatment, the Protective Type, which is a 5-in-1 heat protectant styler, the Controlling Type, which is a hair thickening edge control gel. Also got the Jelly Type Stronghold Gel, I just didn't show that, as well as this Side Stick 3-in-1 edge styling tool brush. Also, it came with this like newspaper type thing. This is so cute. Here for the visuals, like, look at this. Bam. Like, it's giving like hot news, what's new, what's tea, like news of the day. It also has like a pamphlet full of info on the products. Like, I love the visual, okay? Like, all brands need to adhere to such standard. Okay, those are the products that I got in my PR package. I was trying to stray away from watching any videos of like any curly girls using the product, just because I like to wash my hair myself, get my opinion. These are just my opinions. These are my opinions of these products, so keep that in mind. Everyone's hair is different, and that's the beauty of curly hair. So let's get into it. The time has come. I have been waiting to wash my hair with these Fenty products. So with that being said, this Rich One Moisture Repair Shampoo has a warm, ambery floral scent. It smells really good. It has bright notes of sparkling yuzu, golden amber, soothing florals, coconut, vanilla, and creamy sandalwood. Provides a gentle cleanse, smooths frizz, improves detangling, and it's color safe and for all hair types. The Rich One Moisture Repair Conditioner has green coconut water, which is known for lightweight hydration and conditioning. It instantly detangles and makes your hair feel softer and silkier. It also moisturizes without weighing down your strands, and it helps reduce breakage. I do love the fact that the shampoo and the conditioner's bottles are made from 100% post-consumer recycled aluminum. I love that. I also love that the Richer One Moisture Repair Deep Conditioner comes in this container. It's easy to open and it's easy to get to. This is an ultra hydrating deep conditioner that makes your hair softer, reduces breakage, and helps repair split ends. It smooths, provides maximum hydration, and it makes it easy for detangling while nourishing and strengthening your hair at the same time. All of the scents are pretty similar, but this deep conditioner does have wild mango butter, and that is known for nourishing and its conditioning properties. There wasn't much guidance on how long I should leave it in, so I just left it in for 5 minutes. I honestly didn't know if I wanted to do a wash and go or a twist out, but I decided to do a wash and go, and I'm just gonna go in with a little bit of water, and then I'm gonna go in with the Home Curl Defining Cream. This gel cream is silicone free, and it's supposed to shape, define, and enhance your curls in one step. It's supposed to hydrate, soften, and condition your curls and provide all-day touchable hold and curl definition. All of these products have Replenacor 5, which is Fenty Hair's proprietary complex that's clinically tested to repair, strengthen, and hydrate, smooth, and protect your hair. And it provides all-day protection against frizz. Being that I am a diffusing girly, I did apply the Protective Type 5-in-1 Heat Protectant Styler on top. This product hydrates, smooths, defrizzes, and detangles, and provides heat protection. On top of the Replenacor 5 and the warm ambery floral scent, it also has moringa oil and cranberry oil. The moisture and the smoothness is going to come from the moringa oil, and the moisture and the shine is going to come from the cranberry oil. Okay, y'all, so this is what it's giving. I forgot to mention that they did send me a satin scarf. It's like a jumbo scarf, but I cannot find it right now. My plan is to fluff it out tomorrow and then come back and give y'all the tea and my honest thoughts of the whole Fenty line. So I will see you guys in the morning. Good morning. So I just took my bonnet off, and I kind of wanted to put on some of the controlling type hair thickening edge control gel, just because I'm about to go to the gym and I want to pretty much break down my thoughts of the products. I'm just gonna do a little bit. Okay, let's get into this review. I'm pretty much gonna start in the order of how I use them. Very durable. I love the packaging. I love the colors. On all her products, she pretty much has like the ridges to like identify what products are and things like that. But I would say the lather is a 10 out of 10, but how the shampoo worked, I would give it like a 6.5, honestly. My hair didn't feel like any more moisturized. It actually felt like a little bit stripped. Now, I love a squeaky clean feeling, but I definitely felt like it stripped my hair. And like I say, if y'all have been here for a while, y'all know like I give a product like at least 2 tries. So I'm going to wash with it again, probably on my next wash, just to you know, see if I feel any different or whatnot. But definitely would give it a 6.5 out of 10 based off of how it worked on my hair. But the lather is a 10 out of 10. I will say that. I did shampoo once, so I was wondering maybe if I shampooed twice, that would do the trick. So next time I will probably shampoo twice. We'll see. So the next product I used was the Rich One Moisture Repair Conditioner, and I felt like this honestly was heaven sent after using the shampoo. This definitely put the moisture back into my hair like immediately. It's thick, it's slippery, and overall like detangling with this, I would say it's like an 8.5. I do feel like I will go through this very quickly. Like I feel like I'm already it's like right here. I feel like you guys can see that. It's damn near like halfway through the bottle with one use. So I don't foresee this product lasting very long. After using the conditioner, I definitely felt like my hair was hydrated after using the shampoo, so that's a plus. And then the next product that I went in with was the Richer One Moisture Repair Deep Conditioner. Now this girl right here, as y'all saw my face that I made, I was like, oh my god, it's like butter. Y'all know how Rihanna say butter. This is probably my favorite product so far, like in shower. Like, I low-key wish I just would have shampooed and then did the mask, because I don't really condition every single time. I usually do a shampoo and a mask if a brand does have a mask. This deep conditioner, literally 10 out of 10. It's thick, butter instantly, and then when I rinsed out my hair was definitely soft, manageable, hydrated, and literally put everything that I needed back in my hair after the shampoo. So I definitely could have went without the conditioner and went straight to the mask if I wanted to. But this right here, this is what you need. Okay, okay. And I was going to go in with the Comeback Kid, but I really didn't know how to use it. On all of her products, it gives you like pictures on how to do it, and it also gives you a QR code. So let's scan the QR code and see what it says. It literally brought me to the Fenty site with the product, and it gives me all the descriptions of the products. It can be rinsed out or it can be left in. It says, after cleansing with the shampoo, apply this product from root to tip until hair is saturated. Leave on for 3 to 5 minutes, then rinse and then style as desired. I would probably use it as a leave-in conditioner next time. I probably wouldn't rinse it out, being that it can be a leave-in. If not, I'll just use water. So the next product that I use to style, I use the Home Curl. Now this curl defining cream is very like, the texture is interesting. It's not your typical like curling cream. Like, it definitely has a little tack, if that makes sense. It gives shine immediately. Like when I put it on my hair, I could see the shine that this curl defining cream was giving me. And as y'all saw, like the application of the cream, I was very impressed on how my hair looked when applying the cream alone. I'm typically a mousse girly, and I was just like, this is not gonna be enough for me. Like, it's not gonna be enough. But after putting it on my hair, I was like, wow, okay, Rihanna, I see what you did there. Period. So yeah, I went in with this, and I was just like kind of shocked at how my hair was looking with just the curl cream itself and nothing else. And so I definitely had high hopes for this. Had high hopes, but let me talk to you about the other product, and then I'm gonna go back to this product. And then the jelly type is a stronghold gel. Now this shows in the pictures that this can be for slick backs, ponytails, buns, and all of that. I definitely should have went with my gut, but I wanted to try it anyway. I literally put the jelly type gel on like a section at the bottom, and it immediately like clumped up. It turned white, was clumpy. Like, I was like, damn, like cottage cheese. Okay, like literal cottage cheese. So I'm definitely going to use this for like a slick back or like a bun or something like that. Like, I'm gonna try this again. Definitely not with the curl defining cream. No, don't mix those two together, friend. Just don't do it. Trust me when I tell you, okay? Trust me when I tell you. The last product that I went in with was the protective type. I did a little bit on both sides just because I like to diffuse and I sit under the hooded dryer. So I went in with this, and honestly, I don't know how to feel about this product because unfortunately, I don't know if it was the home curl or if it was the protective type. My hair is flaky. Like flaky. Flake central. I literally used just the home curl, and then I topped it off with a little bit of the protective type, and my hair is flaky. And I'm so sick about it, y'all. Like, I am so sick. She looks great. Like, she feels great, she smells great, she looks great, but shorty a little flaky. Actually, she's a lot of flaky, and I don't know if you guys can see from here. It's very, very hard to see on camera, but it's literally a flake university, okay? I truly, truly, truly don't understand it. Like, that's why I need to just, I don't know what I plan to do to figure this out. This literally had me sliding down the wall. Like, I was literally sliding down the wall just because I was so disappointed. Like, disappointment. Like, girl. Overall, I do think like the definition is there, the hold is there, Like the volume is there, it has potential, but the only downfall are the flakes. And it's so flaky. I know I keep saying it, but it's super flaky. After I saw that it was flaky, I literally was sad, heartbroken, okay? Out of all the products, I definitely would say the Richer One, like moisture repair mask is by far like my favorite. Like 10 out of 10, 10 out of 10, 10 out of 10. Other than that, I will give these products another try. If y'all have any tips or recommendations on what to do, what not to do, please drop them down below. I don't know, I can't say whether I would recommend the styling products. If you do decide to try Fenty, please let me know. My recommendation would be the shampoo and the mask to start off, like in shower, just because I haven't gotten the stylers down to recommend them properly to y'all. So I don't know, I gotta see. I hope you guys enjoyed this Fenty review, and I will see you guys next time.